Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge attacked the government on Monday over the situation in Manipur, saying it has been 9 months during which unabated violence has devastated innumerable lives, but Prime Minister Narendra Modi did not have to the time visit the state. Kharge also alleged that the BJP'S double-engine government has dealt several blows to the people of Manipur. It has been 9 months since the unabated violence has devastated innumerable lives in Manipur, but PM Modi hasn't had asked to visit the state. Why? He had visited Manipur in February 2022 only to campaign for election and now has left the people of Manipur to fend for themselves. The Congress chief said on Twitter. More than 200 people have died since May 4, 2023 and 6,000 people have been displaced, he said. Around 50,000 people continue to languish in relief camps in despicable conditions without adequate medical facilities and food. People have already lost everything, their homes, their livelihoods and their belongings. They can't go anywhere, their future is bleak, Kharge said. He said according to some report, over 80 people have died in a camp in Churachandpur alone due to the trauma, malnutrition and illness. The infant camps are no better, he added. Whatever help is being provided in camp has come from collective efforts of Good Samaritans, NGOs, and not the state government, they claim. Kharge alleged the women and children are suffering because of the complete apathy and neglect shown by the BJP. Since January 1 itself, 10 people have died in renewed violence. Police trainings of 2 communities are shooting at each other. 7 have injured. On January 24, we witnessed how an armed group coerced MPs, MLAs to attend a meeting at heavily guarded Kangla Fort, where Manipur Congress president was brutally assaulted and tortured, Kharge said. PM Modi's assurance to the people of Manipur in August 2023 in Parliament reverberated hollow. There is no normalcy and peace in sight, he said. The Congress on Sunday says the Prime Minister continued to maintain a total silence on the situation in Manipur and alleged that he had committed a horrific injustice on the peoples there. The opposition party attack had come a day after Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh met Home Minister Amit Shah. Ethnic violence broke out in Manipur on May 3, 2023 after a tribal solidarity march was organized in the Hill District to protest against the majority Meitei community's demand for the scheduled tribe status. Since then, over 200 people have been killed in continuing violence, while the section of Kukis have demanded a separate administration or separation from the Manipur government, the Meitei groups, or against it, and warned legislators against any such designs and asked them to foil such attempt. Meitei accounts for about 53% of the Manipur's population and live mostly in Imphal Valley, while tribals, which include Nagas and Kukis, constitute 40% and reside mainly in the hill districts. The rest belong to the other community.